rough information, or I can say basic working. Now I can build some visualizations. Okay, this is my report. I can say this is my sales report. Okay, in the sales report, I'm in the blank area again. Now, you know what Power BI, in the Power BI, Microsoft mentioned that always build key KPIs, macro level KPIs, and then get the supporting KPIs and then drilling KPIs. So now initially I'm building the key KPIs or macro level KPIs. How I can build it? For that, card is the best visual. If I click on the card, you can see as I click, card is best to show numbers. I can click on sales, it is showing me the total sales. That's it. So as this is the card visual, I can simply, you can say change the field name, total revenue. And if you want to go to the formatting, you can change some formatting. If you want to call out value, you can change the color. This is my call out value. And if you want to switch off the category label, you can do that. In the general, you can apply some properties. You can apply some effects. And you can apply some borders or shadows. And this is done by your side. Okay, this is one visual that we have built. In the title, you can apply some title. I can say this is my total revenue. And this is my background color like this. So I built just one key KPI, and because to build one key KPI, Microsoft suggests to go through with card KPIs because card will help you to show you one number. So I build it. So far so good.
Okay.
Okay. Now if I the one way I can build another card. If I click on the card, okay, and I can now get the unit sold because in my data I know these are my facts. So
Okay.
I will put focus only these two KPIs. I put the unit sold. I can click on this format painter. I can apply my formatting over there. And you can see there is no title. I can go to the formatting. In the title, I can write, let's say QTY means total quantity.
Okay.
Build
That
another
that
visual.
label you can write. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Now I can build another visual. Let's say Control C, Control V. I can copy the same visual and I can change the fields again. I can pick this and this time I can say count. So this is my total transactions. Title, total transactions. You can see that. These are my key KPIs, and key KPIs will always be basically aggregations, summarization of your facts. That's it. Fine.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, that's good. Now let's assume you can say, okay, but I want to focus on
Can you
some
show? Can you
countries.
show? Can you show the card where the card is there that you pulled it? Can you navigate
This is the
through?
card.
Oh, that is the card. So, and that card you can choose any of
Yeah,
the any of the quantity or currency, something you can choose it and you can put it over there. That M
yeah.
million and K that came by because the number it's showing it like that.
Okay. If you click on this, basically, if you go to the unit sold, whole number is there. So if you
Mm.
want to change K to a entire number, just go to the formatting. Anything, if you want to do formatting, you need to go to this button. And if you go to the call out value, decimals, I can say 0. Display units, I can say none. Now you will see number is showing me the total.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you can see I just get it. In a millions, if you want to show these numbers into decimals, just click on this, go to formatting, call out value, increase the decimal to 1. You can see that.
Okay.
Okay, this is total revenue, total quantity, total transactions, key KPIs. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now let's assume this is the total revenue and you want to explicitly see the revenue only for France. So I can control C, control V, or I can build new card. Now this is the total revenue. Now I will use this filter area. In the filter, if you see, filter on this visual because this has been selected. If I put any field, let's say if I put country here, it will help me to give me the data for specific country. Let's say if I pick country and if I drop into the filter on this visual area, I just pick it and drop it here. So this is same as it is before. I just right now it is showing me all countries. You can see that all's revenue. So,
Yeah.
but because this is the filter pane, if I go there, I can select specific country. Let's say data for France. Now it is the specific data for France only. Specific data for France only. I can reduce the decimals or it's up to you how you want to show the data. And this is the total sales for France and I can change the title as well. France revenue. Okay.
Okay.
Total revenue, total quantity, total transactions, France revenue. And if you see there is a small funnel. This funnel can explain you which filter has been applied. Which filter has been applied on this card? No filter. That's why it is
Okay.
showing me the total.
Okay.
Here, no filter. Here, no filter. Here I can see country is France. Explicitly it is mentioning me by simply hovering my mouse here. It is telling me that this data is for France country. So whenever you go through this, if you go there, no slicers applied over there. No slicers. But here I can see country slicers is there. And whenever you go to with slicing options, there are different options. You can apply the basic filtering. You can apply the top 10. In the top 10, I can say just top 3. Top 3 based on which field? Based on sales. Now it is the basically top 3 countries sales. So I can change it as well. I'm just telling you how you can manipulate your data accordingly. Top 3 countries.
Okay.
Regions, revenue. See that I can simply increase it. And whenever you go to this funnel part, it is telling me the data is for top 3 by sales.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
That's good. And as per Microsoft practice, I have built my key KPIs. I have built my macro level KPIs. Now I basically what in the next phase, I will build basically supporting KPIs. Supporting KPIs means break down this number based on multiple salesperson ID. Break down this number based on multiple countries. So what can I do that? Because I want to break down this number, now I will get benefit from other visuals. Let's say this could be the best option, donut chart. In the donut chart, what I will do, very simple, because because this is my key KPI, I want to break down revenue based on countries. I will pick country into the legend area and sales into the values area. That's it. And I can click on this and apply the same formatting. How easily you can see that it is showing me the data. Fine.
Yes.
So you can see that this is my total revenue and total revenue is breakdown by the country, and this is supporting visual to mention this number into multiple countries. And the same concept that I was explained earlier, a fact will be breakdown based on multiple dimensions. And if you don't like this visual, simply change it to this one. You can change it to the simple table. You can change into this visual. You can change to funnel. It's totally up to you. Just simply click, drag and drop. You will get the definite visual accordingly.
Yeah. I think there are
And
totally
if you want,
25 visualizations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4,
Yes, there are total 25, but you can
32.
import more visuals.
Yeah, 32 or something. Yeah.
But there are few more visuals. If you go there, you can get more visuals as well. We'll discuss this later.
Okay, sure. Please
Okay.
go ahead. Yes.
Okay. If you see this, and if you want to make some formatting, go to the format area. You can change your slices to the top left. Sorry, legends. You can change the text of the legend. You can see that I can bold it. Likewise, you can change the slicers. It's totally up to you. And this second option is just a self-explanatory. And whenever you click on this, you get you can say bunch of options to manipulate or regulate this visual. This is self-explanatory. Everyone can simple go there, just read it and change it. Let's say if you want to color for Nepal, change it. Now you can see the Nepal color has been changed. For Qatar, you can change this color, get it. For UAE, you can get this color. It's totally up to you how you want to play around with numbers, and it will show you the data accordingly. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Venkata.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
good.
Sure. Yes. Go ahead.
Now I can break down my quantity in other visuals. How? Let's say let's say to want to break down quantity, you can pick this visual, waterfall chart. Just place it over there, and I will pick country. I will pick units sold. That's it. How easily I just support my this number based on multiple regions. I will simply click on this format visual. That's it. And if you want to show the labels, just go there into basically formatting area and apply the data labels. And this is the values. You can change the bold it. You can give the different color. Okay.
Yeah.
So we are basically flowing with the structure. We get the data, we understand the data in the basic working, and now we are building some. We initially we build key KPIs, and now we are basically breaking down those numbers by using supporting visuals. And all these terms or things that I'm explaining to you is totally referring from the Microsoft documentation. Totally. Okay. In the next phase, what should I do? Any idea?
There's some of sales by country, some of units sold by country. Yes. Okay.
And the next, let's say if I want to see or I want to break down based on salesperson ID, I can do that. Okay. Now, because as I mentioned, this is my one dimension and I have used this dimension here. I have other dimensions as well. Product ID is also my dimension. Salesperson ID is also my dimension. So I can build visual on those. Let's say I want to get this visual tree map. In the tree map, I can put my product ID into basically category, and I can put my sales into values. Now you can see it is telling me, Mustafa, this is the sales value and 260, 250 salesperson ID. I'm not sure what is the name of that. Has the maximum sales. You can see that some of sales. And I can click on this format printer. I can apply the formatting over there. And if you want to the label, just select the visual, go to the formatting, apply the data labels. That's it. You can apply the category labels as well. It's totally up to you how you want to play with it.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, let me change. If I select specific field, I can change to the currency. Now it will show me the data into the currency everywhere. You can see that by using dollar sign. Fine.
Yeah. Where did you, sorry, how did you use the currency?
Mm,
How did you use that? Can you show me on time?
what I change? How did I?
Yes, how did I change the currency and
Okay, if you select the specific field, you have the
okay.
specific column details.